Right, you know these aren't going to fit around me once I get in.
We got some lube.
We've got some lube.
If you want me to stop or slow down at any time, just give me a nudge.
What's go faster? That one. Hi guys, welcome back. Totally random one. I'm just wandering around SMMT Media Day and I've just heard this come back. It's a Nissan Micra, but it sounds very GTR or V6 or 350Z, I'm not sure. So they've said, I'll come over to ask about it, and they went, oh, we've got 3 spots in about half an hour. Do you want to come out with it? So I've obviously said yes, but I've just collared someone who's going to tell us all about it. Mr. Nick, here's the Nissan Micra expert.
How you doing?
I'm good, mate. So tell us all about it. So this is obviously the engine doesn't fit in the front.
No, so this is the Micra K12 350SR. It was built in 2003. That is a 3.5 litre V6. The DE V6, commonly found in the 350Z.
Okay.
However, this actual block comes from a Murano, and then we've got
okay, like the big people carrier, SUV thing. Yeah,
it shared the engine with the 350Z.
Yeah. Oh, I never realised that was the same engine.
Yeah, but then it's got headers from a 350Z, Nismo high lift cams and induction. And it's putting out just about 300 horsepower. We had it on the dyno on Tuesday, which was pretty cool. It's got a 6-speed gearbox from an Altima, custom drive shafts.
Wow, yeah, and lots of custom work going on.
Yeah,
I would imagine.
a lot of fabrication. You can see, you've got the roll cage, but that's also structural. So you've got a space frame going on in here.
So literally no floors. That's like the concrete.
No,
tarmac underneath, like a full race car.
It is a race car, and it was built by RML, which ran the Nissan touring car team in the 90s and took it to a lot of championship success. Originally this was a 2002 Micra SX built in Sunderland.
Amazing.
And then taken into the workshop.
One lady owner.
Well, no, it was a brand new car, but then completely re-engineered.
Wow.
Significant time and expense, obviously. And now, we've had it in our little heritage collection for the last 23 years. And this year marks the car's 23rd anniversary. And a lot of Nissan racing cars have the number 23 on them. Okay. You can see here on the Formula E car. And that is because in Japanese, the number 2 and the number 3 are Nissan.
No way. Every day's a school day.
So number 23 is very special for Nissan.
Amazing.
So this year is this car's Nissan anniversary, its 23rd birthday, so we thought as a little celebration of that, get it out of storage, get it up and running, bring it here, get it around the track and have some fun.
The wheels off a 350Z?
Yeah, so they are raised alloys from a 350Z, 18-inch. Obviously with some pretty chunky rubber on them as well.
And what's going on in the front?
Cooling mainly.
Is that fuel tank as well?
Yeah. So I mean, it's built as a racing car, so it's plumbed in. We changed the fire extinguisher system actually, and then we've got these nice custom headlights because obviously the original 2002 headlights are not particularly bright.
Okay, yeah.
Which, when you're travelling at speed, isn't helpful. Yeah. So we've had these upgraded by a guy who does custom lights. Is that the original colour? This red. Yeah, so it's originally red. There's plenty of photos and videos online. Evo actually ran it as a long-termer for
the car.
Yeah,
amazing.
I took it at Tesco and everything.
That's amazing. Can I have a quick look inside?
Yeah,
so you've got bulkheads behind so you don't get...
Yeah, so for safety.
How noisy is it?
Very noisy.
It's still noisy.
Yeah, it is probably the loudest thing you'll ever drive.
That's why all the helmets over there have got microphones.
Yeah. So we've inside obviously. So we got a new OMP wheel, new Corbeau seats. We used to have some tiny little fixed buckets in there, proper racing seats. So we've sort of upgraded the comfort level just a little bit. We've also added a screen just really for navigation purposes.
Yeah.
Although there are speakers, technically you could stream some music.
Aircon, does that work? I see an aircon button.
Yeah.
No way. So you could daily it.
Well, yeah, a stretch.
The gear stick's like really high. That has to be raised up.
Yeah, so that's it's you know, so it's near the wheel. Basically, you know, it was built as a racing car. It's actually a gearbox from an Altima, a 6-speed manual.
Okay.
Very heavy clutch, but that's because it's a racing clutch, and as you go through the gears, it's just bang, bang, bang.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, it's quite the mean machine, really.
Fantastic.
You know, I'm very pleased to be able to get it up and running and bring it here today for everyone to have some fun in.
Oh, nice one. I'm looking forward to going out in it.
Nice one.
Go and get a coffee, get my helmet on, and prepare myself. Right, you know these aren't going to fit around me once I get in.
That's fine, we got some lube.
We've got some lube. Oh, that's quite a nice low door bar.
Yeah, it makes it a little bit easier, doesn't
it? It actually fits around me. You're joking. I didn't have enough breakfast.
You can have a big lunch and try later.
I'd rather not. It's probably best I didn't have a good breakfast.
So standard stuff, it's going to get quite noisy out there. If you want me to stop or slow down at any time, just give me a nudge.
What's go faster? That one. You better, before it gets all noisy, you better say a quick hello to the camera. This is actually my buddy Nick, who's a Goodwood instructor.
Hi guys.
It's like another day in the office for him. Oh, it's not too bad. I thought it was going to be like horrendous noisy. It's actually all right.
Once it gets going, once it winds up.
So we're on the inner handling track.
That's it,
and we're the only ones on there.
There's a couple of test vehicles going around, so we might see something else out there, but yeah, there's nothing else from the event out there.
Okay. So I want to see full commitment. Like full quality. Yeah, apart from the fact that the boot is the engine, you could actually daily this.
Yeah, it's not that bad. I had it on the road yesterday, and when you're in 6th gear, it's actually like, it's usable. I had music up. You
got stereo in it?
Yeah, I've got Apple CarPlay. Connected to my phone at the moment, so feel free to jump on there and change Spotify.
Oh mate, no way. Yeah, well, I think once we get going, you probably wouldn't hear it.
No, you won't.
My days,
it's certainly reserved for when you're parked up. Right, we all ready?
Yeah, man.
Let's do it.
Nearly.
It's still within track limits, right?
Yeah, we never left the tarmac.
Exactly.
That was wicked. I was like, oh, he's carrying a bit more speed through there. That was sick, mate. Well done. Mate, that was wicked. That was wicked. There's a great little bit over the back. You kind of lob it in and do like a nice little transition.
Yeah.
And just all with the wheels straight.
You're really driving it literally like a go-kart. I know we say that phrase a lot, but it really is.
Yeah, yeah. Mate, you get a lot of tyre smoke ingress into the car. Has it got ABS or not really?
No ABS, no traction control, none of the safety stuff.
That's why it was like, keep locking up.
Pure driving.
That was wicked, man. That was so good. That was so good. I was just laughing the whole time.
So it's safe to say you enjoyed it then, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, it was okay. It was okay. To be honest, I thought because it's such a short wheelbase, and you got the engine over. Is the engine in front or behind the back wheels?
Technically in front, but it's only just.
It's only just. Okay, so it's like just mid-engine.
Yeah.
I thought it was going to be really like when it started to rotate, it's going to be really horrible, but actually it's not too bad.
No, it's like a nice breakaway.
Excuse me. So is the engine layout the same as it would be in the 350Z? No, because it's in the front and in a Z.
It's in the front, yeah.
So is it
They've
still?
literally spun it round.
Oh, you spun
I don't
it
know
round?
what gearbox it's on, but it's obviously it looks like it was a front-wheel drive gearbox. The way they put the layout, we'll show you at the end of it. Because obviously your 350Z, longitudinal, wasn't it, with prop coming down the middle?
Yeah, with the diff coming out. With the prop coming out of the back. Yeah, slow down there, naughty boy. Yeah,
joys of a race car, they don't like going slow as you're about to peel.
Yeah,
there you go.
over like 3,000 revs.
But you've had your rise on that MX-5 today, haven't you?
I know, mate. I've got mine in the car park. Let's see if they want it on the stand. It's not the best example. It's definitely a one of one. Has it got some like funky clutch in it?
Yeah, full race clutch.
A full race clutch. So it's like stall or wheel spin.
Yeah, it's literally it's leg day every day you drive it. Let's put it that way.
Oh, is it? Is it bad?
Yeah, it's a heavy old thing. Have a feel of it when we jump out.
Yeah, man, that was ace. Does it get really hot doing that sort of stuff, or not too bad?
It's hot in here.
I'll be honest, I thought it was going to get really hot, but because you have got a bulkhead.
Yeah, exactly. It does
not too bad.
keep the majority of it behind there.
Yeah, man. Mate, that was ace. That was really, really good fun.
Mega.
Really good fun. Thank you, buddy. Still got like remote locking and stuff.
Oh yeah, all the mod cons.
There you go. I'm going to leave the video there, guys. Like, subscribe, share, all that sort of stuff. I'm going to put Nick's Instagram along here somewhere, and I'll see you next one. Wicked, man.
Oh.
Yeah, it is alright. Yeah, obviously, yeah, if he cranked up a bit, it'd probably be a bit faster.